Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm here to talk to you about Kuryakyn push-button fuel door latches. Now, if you've been around cruisers very long at all, I'm sure you've seen Kuryakyn products, and generally they're flashy chrome pieces or LED lights or something like that. This is a really functional, smart, well thought out piece. Now, it comes in around $45, and it's for Harley-Davidson touring bikes 92 and up. That's because they have that fuel door that comes down over the top of the gas cap. And a lot of them actually have a lock on them, and you have to use that lock. You can't just set the fuel door back down on there. So that means every time you go to get gas, you have to unlock the fuel door to access your gas cap. Even if you don't need the key for your bike, you'll still need the key to get in and access the gas cap. Well, this eliminates that and puts a nice little push button in there that pops it right up, no key needed, and they're available in black or chrome. No matter what flavor you like to decorate the bike in, black or chrome, they have you covered. Now, I will say the installation is very easy. One screwdriver, you can do this. It is important that you put this little metal piece in there because that's actually the piece that makes it spring-loaded. So you don't want to push the button and have the door lay there. This is set up so when you push that button, it pops up, you can grab the door, access your gas cap, no problem. Overall, this is really slick because it is a pain to have to unlock that door every time you get gas. This makes that a lot easier. Now, the downside is you do lose the lock on your gas cap. So if that's something that you use all the time or you want to have a locked gas cap, this isn't for you, but overall, I think most people will appreciate the functionality of this and just hitting that button and accessing their gas cap at the pump. If you want more information about this, go ahead and hit that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specifications about this product. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle riding style and budget. I'm Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.